All right, we are live here. This is Pete Erickson. I'm the founder of Modev, and I'm the creator of Voice Summit, taking place in just a few days in Newark, New Jersey. This is part of our speaker interview series, and it has been a lot of fun for me to get to know so many amazing folks coming from all over the world, 26 countries last we checked. Today, we're talking with Carissa Merrill. She works on user experience and accessibility at US Bank. Carissa, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks, Pete. How are you?
Doing great. So happy that you're going to be coming and speaking at Voice Summit. Were you at the conference last year?
I was not, so I'm
Hey.
very excited to be coming this year.
First
I can't
timer.
wait. Looking forward to it.
We're going to have fun, definitely. So tell us a little bit about what you do there at US Bank.
Right. So I am a senior accessibility consultant at the bank. So we work integrated with the UX omni-channel teams to basically shift accessibility left of development. So we work really closely with content design, experience architects, visual designers, et cetera, and then specifically to in all areas of the bank and the various branches of like the projects that we work on, and especially and so I have a particular interest in innovative technology and working with kind of the Google and Alexa skills as well.
Yeah, so let's talk a little bit about that. So as a user experience professional, when did you first get involved with voice and conversational design?
Yeah, so it's fairly new for me. So I've been with the bank for about a year, and I've been on this team for a little over 6 months now.
Okay. All right. So what's been the biggest maybe surprise for you related to this new area that so many of us are getting involved in?
Yeah, I mean, I think there are so many surprises and so many great things. I guess for me, the thing that isn't necessarily so much a surprise, but the thing that I'm most excited about is like the immense potential of voice to impact people with disabilities. I mean, I was just reading an article where they were saying like 5 years ago, like voice technology would be considered an assistive technology, but now it's more of like a mainstream use. And so kind of just seeing how we can learn from our usability studies that are inclusive of all participants, and kind of how we can have things that work and design solutions that work for people with disabilities as well as for a mainstream audience as well. So kind of just like a comprehensive.
Yeah, accessibility is an exciting area, and it's certainly something we're going to be talking a lot about at the conference. I did not pull up the schedule yet to see where you're speaking. Tell us about the talks that you're going to be giving at Voice Summit.
Yeah, so I'm part of a panel where we're talking about removing barriers with voice technology. So I'm going to be, my colleague Sierra will be moderating. We're working with Noah from Prudential and Neil from the National Federation of the Blind, and Michael, I'm spacing on his company name, but he's also doing a new technology.
Novalte.
So we'll be, there you go, yep. So we'll be speaking on Thursday morning. I think our slot is at 9:45. But yeah, so just basically talking about like what the different things are that we're working on, and kind of, I guess like some of the things that I like to focus on is, accessibility is really just like a solvable design problem, and kind of focusing on how it's a great equalizer and can really dramatically impact people's lives, whether it's permanent disabilities, situational, or temporary, regardless.
Yeah, it looks great. I have to tell you, we're really thrilled the way this came together. And again, I think that one of the exciting things about this space for me as somebody who organizes communities is the impact that the Voice First era is going to have on so many folks.
Absolutely.
And there's going to be some announcements taking place at the event. I can't get ahead of the news, but some new accessibility shopping opportunities for folks out there, which are really exciting. So much really neat stuff. Now, tell us, where are you from? The Minneapolis area?
I am, yeah. So I went to the University of Minnesota, and so I've kind of stuck around and have been in the area, not, like I said, not with the bank. I've been at the bank for about a year, but yeah, exactly, right? Yes. Well,
yes. Nice. That's great. That's great. Well, I have spent some time there. I did an internship in 1989 in Mankato, Minnesota. I got to experience a Minnesota winter. Also did business for a long time with Target back in the 90s as well. So I know the town quite well.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
neat place. When are you flying into Newark?
Early on Sunday, I believe. So I'll have the day on Sunday to orient and kind
Well,
of see what trouble we can get into.
last we heard, I think most of the hotels are sold out. So if you want to get a ticket to Voice, now is the time to do it. Get in on the action. Like I said, we've got more than 26 countries represented. We'll have about 5,000 people on hand, more than 350 speakers, so much knowledge sharing. And whether you're a small business, a big business, a bank, or you want to have a startup that, knows how to reach everybody, now's the time to get into this market. We've made it easy at Voice Summit. The website is voicesummit.ai, and it is Friday. Tickets do go up tonight a little bit, so now's the time to get in. I'm Pete Erickson. Carissa, it's been great chatting with you, and I look forward to seeing you in just a couple days.
Same. Thanks so much, Pete. I appreciate it.
All right. Happy Friday.
You as well. Take care.